Want this smooth swipe transition like yaniksksks to improve your edits.
Because it's the hero Gotham deserves. A dark knight. Because it's the hero Gotham deserves. A dark knight.
Hi guys, today I will be teach you how to make a smooth swipe transition, so watch the video till the end. Join my membership to get some additional perks to improve your edits and become happy. You will get these things if you join my membership, including editing help, giveaways, shoutouts, and many more. Join us today to become a top-class editor and a fan. So let's start the tutorial. First, ready with your comp and add your clips. Apply head tracking to it. Enable frame blending and motion blur of your clips as well. After that, pre-compose your both layers. Now add your Twixtor settings. If you want a tutorial on Twixtor, then comment section is for you. After that, click on this icon and enable proportional grid so we can make a proper solid as well. Now click on Pen tool and make a straight line. Cut it according to you. Change the color to white and also set the stroke to 22. After that, click on Animation button and select Trim Path and add it. Now make a keyframe of start and go where you want to end the animation. Place the keyframe and now go to the beginning and set the value to 0. Now duplicate the layer and delete the previous part. And now place the keyframe of position where you want to start your animation, so press P on your keyboard and separate the dimensions of position and go 75 frames forward and place a keyframe. Now move the line like this. Adjust your second clip according to you. Now make a mask of your clip, but make sure to pre-compose your layer so it will work. After that, select the arrow and double-click on the mask so you can customize it easily. Make a proper mask like this. Now press F on your keyboard and change the feather to 3. Now press M on your keyboard and place a keyframe according to the position keyframes. Now close the mask on the first keyframe like this. Ease your keyframes. Now we have to make a smooth graph to look smooth, so first select your first animation keyframes and open Graph Editor. Set both graph values to 65. Now select your position and mask keyframes and open the Graph Editor. set the both values to 70. Enable motion blur of all layers. As you can see, it's good. Now we have to do this turbulent effect to make the line good. Start by duplicating both lines and pre-compose them, which you duplicated add turbulent displacement effect. Now copy my settings. Press Alt on your keyboard and click on Evolution and then add time *700, or if you want to increase the speed, then set to 1000. Now copy the displacement effect and paste it on the second pre-composed layer as well. Now pre-compose your line effect layers. After that, add deep glow and copy my settings. Now add bevel alpha and copy my settings. Now add drop shadow and copy me. As you can see, it's looking well. Now we have to make bars effects, so first make a black solid layer and add CC jaws on your layer. Change the height to 0. Make keyframes of completion. Change the value of first keyframe to 100 and second to 70. Ease your keyframes. Now copy my graph. As you can see, it's looking good with this transition. Now add your text effects as well. This tutorial is made on i7 second generation processor, not i9, because I've recorded an i7 PC, so it's slow. After adding text effects, add your best color correction on it. You can get this CC on my shop to boost your quality. I hope you like this tutorial, and if you like, then like and subscribe to the channel. See you soon, homies.